What is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript on the server side. Here are some key points: language consistency, non-blocking, event-driven, NPM node, performance, scalability. On the other hand, Apache PHP. And second question, what is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? In Node.js and JavaScript in general, a callback function is a function that passed as an argument in another function and it executed later, typically after the completion of some synchronous operation or event. Here, where callback functions are commonly used in synchronous programming in Node.js, non-blocking operations, event-driven nature, error handling, nested and sequential operation. Here, simple examples. Callback functions are a foundational concept for managing synchronous code in Node.js. Third question. What is the purpose of the package JSON file in a Node.js project? Can OU explain the key properties found in this file? The package JSON file is a crucial component of Node.js projects. It serves several purposes including dependency management, script definitions, project metadata. Here are some key points commonly found in package: name, version, description, main, and scripts, dependencies, author and license, reciprocity, engines. Fourth question. Explain the difference between require and important statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Require and important are both used in Node.js for including external modules or files, but they have different syntax and behavior. Some key points: require statement, JavaScript, synchronous dynamic loading, default exports, import statements, JavaScript, synchronous, state, static imports, named exports. Here's some consideration for choosing one over the another: Node.js version, ecosystem compatibility, code style, advanced features. Fifth question. What is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? Answer. In the context of Express.js, middleware refers to functions that are executed in the request response cycle of Express application. These functions can perform various tasks such as modifying, requesting response objects, handling authentication, logging, or a custom process before passing control to the next middleware function or sending a response to the select. Middleware functions are typically structured as follows: JavaScript perform some actions or modification to request. Here are some examples of how you can use middleware in an Express application. JavaScript middleware functions to log income request function. Middleware register middleware functions define a route, start the Express server. In this example, log request we use app use and etc. Sixth question. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods using in RESTful APIs. RESTful API, which stands for Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface, is an architectural style for designing networked applications. Here are some key principles of RESTful APIs. Statelessness, silent server edge architectures, uniform interface, resource-based representation. To create a RESTful APIs using Node.js and Express.js, following these general steps. Set up your project, create routes, implement HTTP methods, get, post, put, patch, delete, handle requests, respond with JSON, API with JSON, use status codes. In this example, we created routes for listed toads, adding a new todo and etc. Seventh question: what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager (NPM) and how do we use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? Node answer: Node Package Manager (NPM) is a package manager for Node.js that simplifies the process of installing, managing, and sharing packages, libraries, modules, and other code with the Node.js community. Here the main purpose of NPM: dependency management, version control, scripting, global and local installation, and here how you can use NPM to manage dependencies in a Node.js project. Initialize a new project, install dependencies, add new dependencies, update dependencies, run scripts, global packages, and etc. Eighth question: what is the importance of hash passwords in a web application? Hashing passwords in web applications is critically important for security reasons. When users create accounts and set passwords for authentication, those passwords should never be stored in the raw plaintext form. Instead, they are used to be hashed. Here, why hashing passwords is crucial. Some examples: protection against data branches, confidentially slatted hashing for security, and password variety, compliance, trust and reputation, defense against insider threats. And in summary, hashing passwords is a fundamental security practice that safeguards users' credentials and protects sensitive information in the event of a security breach and etc. Thank you.